Here the question is, out of sodium chloride and silver chloride, which one shows Frenkel defect and why? Frenkel defect is a type of point defect in a crystal lattice where an atom or ion is displaced from its normal lattice site to an interstitial site. It creates a vacancy and an interstitial defect pair. In case of silver chloride, the silver ions are relatively large compared to the chloride ions, which allows the Ag plus ions to be displaced from their lattice position to the interstitial sites. It leads to the Frenkel defect. While in case of sodium chloride, it exhibits a Schottky defect. Here, the pair of sodium and chloride ions are missing from their lattice positions and it creates vacancies without the displacement of ions to the interstitial sites. So here, the answer is AgCl.